Hello, everyone. Welcome to DeCarla's Decades of Decor for our pick of the day. And this is today's pick. But first of all, I would like to thank everyone for joining me today. Welcome to the channel if you're brand new. A couple days ago, I just reached a milestone, 50,000 views. So I'm quite happy and excited by that. And now on to our pick of the day. So this bowl was made by the Jeannette Glass Company during the mid-century, probably mid-late 1960s or into the very early to middle 1970s. And this can be used as a centerpiece. There was no lid. If you want to use it to put candy or potpourri, I don't even know, do people use potpourri anymore? Or put some kind of decoration in? However, if you want something unique that not everyone has, which is a lot of times why people like vintage and antiques, because it's not the cookie cutter stuff, and it was made so much better back then, the workmanship. This piece is truly unique, and this will be a conversation piece in your home. This bowl is footed, but as you can see, it's got birds on it. The birds actually make up the feet of the bowl. There's the wings. They are in flight. There's 3 of them that go around the entire bowl. Isn't that neat? And it's a pretty decent size bowl as well. So, this Jeannette Glass bowl with the birds on it, that is our pick of the day.